welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very classy haul, including a brand new bag. So beautiful. I am dying to show you, but I have clothes, I have shoes, I have a little bit of everything. Gorgeous things and ideas for you to get for yourself for this holiday season so you can look fabulous, classic, and elegant. So without further ado, let's get started with the first item, and we're gonna start with a bang because we're gonna look at my brand new bag. Brand of the moment, Balenciaga, and this is the perfect holiday piece. I have to show you this little piece of gold heaven. Check it out. It has crystals on the hardware. It comes with this beautiful chain and a shoulder strap, a leather shoulder strap as well. I have to do a close-up so you can see the beauty, the shine, and the sparkle of this baby. So this is the Balenciaga Mini Leca Gold bag, and I wanted something beautiful, very festive, very classy, that I could wear with beautiful dresses for a holiday event, holiday parties, and this is perfect. So I got this bag from the sponsor of this video, which is Baima. If you haven't heard of Baima, they are a marketplace for personal shoppers. They are amazing for you to score those hard to get pieces that you cannot get at the store. I love them because I can also buy Chanel from them on the website, ready to wear bags. So amazing for you to get those unique pieces that you cannot get anywhere else. So this is how it works. They have personal shoppers from all around the world that will post the items that they have access to. I love it because many times you can actually get amazing deals because personal shoppers could be in Europe, like Italy or France, for example, where the prices are lower. And for some other items, you will pay a slight premium, like really hard to get ones, which was the case for this swimsuit that I actually bought from them a few years ago. I have posted this on one of my hauls. They are a reputable company. They were founded by Enigmo Incorporated in 2005 in Japan. And actually the primary shareholder for Enigmo is Sony Corporation and its executives. So you know that this is a credible, legitimate business. The other thing that gives me peace of mind is that Baima has zero tolerance for non-authentic items. If you have any issues with your item, they will fully refund your money back. So you can buy with peace of mind that your purchase is guaranteed. Now let me tell you how to purchase at Baima, right? You go to the website, you search for the item that you want, and I will link this bag on the description box below. Once you find the item that you are looking for, there is a button that's called Connect with the Seller. Because these are personal shoppers, you should message the seller ahead of time because they will source those items after the order. So you connect with the seller so you can ask if there's stock availability. Hey, is this size available? Is this bag available? Which is what I did for this bag. They will check that they can still acquire the item for you, and then they will come back and reply and let you know. Once you hear from the seller, then you go ahead and you purchase the item. They accept PayPal, regular credit card, and then once you finalize the purchase, the seller will contact you and let you know about shipping, estimated time of arrival. Now the other thing to know is that depending on where you are and depending on how much you spend, you might have to pay import duties. I know that here for the US, if you spend up to $800, you don't pay any import duties at all. If it's above $800, you pay around 12% in import duties. So in the case of this bag, you guys, this bag at Saks Fifth Avenue is going for like $1,900 plus tax. The price for this bag at Baima was around $1,400, and then the import duties were $190. So in the end, the bag cost $1,600, which was still cheaper than purchasing it here at Saks. Do you see what I mean? Totally recommend. Go check them out. I am so happy with my bag. I should show you the inside of this bag. This bag is such a bang of style. Really, truly, for the price of shoes. Chanel shoes right now are $15, $16, $17. Boots are like $2,000. This is a bag for the price of shoes. How amazing. And I think it looks so chic because it's gold. It really matches any color. And it is a mini bag, but it is so spacious on the inside. When you buy with Baima, your item might come from different countries depending on where the personal shopper is. I know that this bag for me, I saw on the shipping tracking, this came from Italy. Look how spacious this is. You can fit so much in here. Let's check if we can fit my phone, shall we? In case you are interested in purchasing this bag. It fits, you guys. No problem. Check this out. I have the iPhone 13 and space left to put lipstick, card holder, easy in here. And then this leather strap right here, you can actually adjust it. So you can make this as a crossbody bag, or you can make it shorter. This little metal chain comes off like this. If you don't want to deal with it, you can just hide it inside the bag. So if you want like a more casual look, check this out. You can wear it just like this. These are the mod shots. Look at this. And I'm a very big girl. I am 5'8", and I just increased the length to make it crossbody. This strap is completely removable, so you can just have it like this more as a night bag. And you know that these Balenciaga studs right here, this is classic Balenciaga. This is never gonna go out of style. That's why I got this one. I think I love the bigger Lica Gold, but I think that that's more of a trendier bag. This one is not. This one is classic Balenciaga studs with a classic gold chain. So this will be in forever. They have it in different colors. I saw it at Baima. The pink one with the crystals is stunning. Next on this very classy haul, we have a stunning blazer from Zara. If you are looking for the most incredible blazer dress, I say blazer dress because this is a pretty long blazer. So what I do is I actually put a top underneath here with a mini skirt, or you can wear a mini dress underneath. But this blazer is absolutely stunning. You will see that I bought it in another color as well, okay? So let me show you the details. Look at this. The shoulder pads are very pronounced, which I love. I love a strong shoulder pad. I think it makes the blazer look super powerful, boss babe. Look at this beautiful gold button. It also has the gold button on the sleeve, and then it has a full pocket right here. And then, as I mentioned to you, it is pretty long. I am a curvy girl, and I usually do not have any luck with Zara items. I hardly ever buy anything there, guys. Nothing works. I am tall, I am 5'8", I have curves, I have hips, and I feel like Zara is made for people that are extremely skinny. So hard to find an item that works for me there. But when I tried this, I died. The price was $89. I will link in the description box for you as well. And I got it in a size large because, like I told you, I am pretty curvy and I am pretty tall. Next on this classy haul, we have, oh my gosh, I have to show you these shoes. These shoes are a dream from this brand called Coat of Coquette. Talk about party shoes, baby. Check this out. Oh my goodness gracious, how absolutely gorgeous. The heel is transparent. Like, these are seriously Cinderella shoes. Look at all the sparkle and the bow. You have this strap that is like wrap around. Perfect for party. These shoes with the blazer I just showed you would look like $1 million. And then you can put killer crystal chandelier earrings and you look amazing. Super stylish, super elegant. So here's the story with these shoes, right? So as you can tell, they look a lot like the Mac and Mac shoes, but the Mac and Mac shoes, the crystals fall off, right? The crystals right here on this strap fall off. And I will not pay $8,000 for shoes with crystals that fall off. These are much more accessible price-wise. I believe they are like $200. So if the crystals fall off from this strap right here, I am not going to be upset. If they fall off from the Mac and Max for $1,000, I would be really upset, okay? These are absolutely amazing, and the finish on these shoes, I'm really picky about the finish. They're beautifully done. If you look here on the side, if you look at the finish on the heels, they are absolutely incredible. They also have vents right here on the side because you know that these plastic PVC shoes, you know, sometimes they can get foggy inside. They are super, super comfortable, super gorgeous, and if I have any issues with these, I am okay because this price is a lot more reasonable, okay? Next, okay, we have this stunning blazer dress from Zara. Now this is truly a blazer dress. You do not need anything underneath. It is closed right here. You do not need to put a skirt underneath. I love that it has like a little hook here. It holds you at the waist, so it marks your waist, so beautiful. And it is a little bit sexy because it does have a little bit of cleavage. It's not super covered. So I feel like, I don't know, it's like an elegant, classic, but sexy look at the same time, right? Fully lined. It has like a little slit right here. This is what the back looks like. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. This blazer dress with these shoes, hello baby. The price on this was also $89 and the size I chose was also a large. Next on this haul, okay, have you heard of this brand called Naked Wolfe? If you have not heard of this shoe brand, you are living under a rock and I am here to enlighten you. So this is a classy, sporty item, okay? Because I was looking for a pair of boots that I could wear and walk around. I did not want super high heels. I wanted something that I could walk around in all the time that looked super cool. And these boots right now, I'm telling you, they are the hottest thing on the planet. Ta-da! This is what they look like. Okay, look how beautiful. This is actually vegan leather. They are extremely stretchy and they fit your legs perfect. They look nice and tight on your legs, but super comfortable. And they are comfortable to walk in because they have this huge platform. So essentially, this is really the heel that your feet have to deal with. Look at the finish. Look at how beautiful this silver finish, and then this is the logo of Naked Wolfe, which is kind of like the symbol of the I am cool, okay? They cost about $350. They have many other amazing styles. They have incredible platforms with the killer heels. I see it all over TikTok. I am dying. I want them all. They have them in several different colors, but I went with this more conservative style because I wanted to look super cool, but I wanted to be comfortable as well, right? Of course, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you as well. Next on this haul, we have Gucci. Look how beautiful the packaging for the holidays, you guys. Hello, how beautiful. A holiday glittery Gucci sweater. Let me see if I can show this on video. But this sweater actually has silver glitter on it. And here as well. It is so, so beautiful. So perfect for the holiday season with a beautiful mini skirt and boots. I feel like this is like the Connecticut preppy classy look. You can put a white button-up shirt underneath with like just kind of the collar popping up, and then you put a super cute mini skirt and a beautiful coat on top, and then you just have this little bit of logo peeking through underneath the coat. The price of this was $12.50. So amazing. It's very, very stretchy, the fabric, and it feels kind of like a cool type of a knit, so not something that's going to like overheat. So beautiful for the holiday season. And last but not least, one more blazer from Zara, but this one is very special. This one has a sweetheart neckline. Check this out. How beautiful is this? So girly with the shoulder pads, and this one is truly a blazer. It's not a blazer dress, so you have to wear this with beautiful trousers or a gorgeous mini skirt and boots. And I love this neckline because you can put a statement necklace or pearls and look incredible. This one you can use for business meetings, you can use to go to work, or you can use this to a party. Throw a killer pair of heels, a mini skirt, amazing jewelry, earrings, and you look like $1,000,000. The price again was $89.90, and this is a size large as well. I think it might be a little bit loose on the waist, so I'm going to have my tailor tighten it up a little bit on the waist for me, but I wanted to get a bit more space in the chest area because I knew the medium would be way too tight for me, right? I cannot believe I've had this many Zara scores that worked out for me recently. So I hope you loved my very classy haul. My favorite item of my haul, of course, is my beauty from Balenciaga with all this bling and all these crystals. Make sure to check out Baima. You will find so many treasures there. You're gonna go crazy. Let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you're excited for the holidays as much as I am. I love the holidays so much. I have so many plans for you, amazing deals, sales. We're gonna talk Black Friday. We're gonna talk Chanel gift sets. I have many fun topics slotted for you in the upcoming weeks, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much for being here and taking time off of your busy day to hang out with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.